Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a sort of ribbon like effect on your letters or even on a shape in Illustrator. So I just wrote down the letter E while I drew it with a paintbrush tool. You can do a 2, for instance. Oh, that was horrible. You can do a and you can also do like shapes, like just like a string like that. But you're just going to want to have these 5 lines with different colors, and you want to shape them sort of like this. So like move it to the left like that. And you're just going to select all of it and press group. I've already done that, so right click and group, or press Ctrl G. Go to your symbols, select this, and oops, did I not do it yet? Group. Select it and drag it to your symbols panel. I'm just going to press OK. Then I'm just going to select like the letters, go to Effect, Distort and 3D, and go to Extrude and Bevel. And for the extrude depth, I'm just going to do around 100. Go to Map Art and go and find this and select the new symbol and sort of just resize it. Oops, sorry. To cover the whole entire of it. Press invisible geometry, press OK, and press OK again. And you're just going to do that to all of the sort of letters you've made. So Map Art. This has like 2, so I'm just going to do 2. Invisible geometry, and also here. Let's preview that so I can see what's going on. Press OK and press OK. And I'm just going to do that one more time. Over here, make sure to cover this surface. Oops. Press invisible geometry, press OK, press OK. And that is basically it. Now you have these like really cool letters with like a ribbon effect on it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!